myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates.
Samyukt Kisan Morcha (SKM) called for Bharat Bandh on Monday to mark the first anniversary of three controversial farm law. Getting presidential assent has generated support from all sections of society, including political parties. Many opposition parties have expressed their support to the Bandh, while Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has supported the Bandh. Leader of opposition in Bihar Assembly Tejaswi Yadav has announced that he will participate in the nationwide strike. The Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu government to have declared complete support to the nationwide strike. Congress has also said that it will be join the protest on Monday. The bandh will be held from 6 in the morning to 4 in the evening, during which all government and private office, educational and other institutes, shops, industries and commercial establishment as well as public event and function will be closed throughout the country. However, all emergency establishment and essential service, including hospital, medical stores, relief and rescue work and people attending to personal emergency will be exempted. The bandh will be enforced in voluntary and peaceful manner. The SKM has assured the Andhra Pradesh government has declared full support of Bharat Bandh on September 27, and also worker of Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. State Information and Transport Minister Parni Venkataramiha Nani said on Saturday. Nani told reports that the state government has decided to stop APSRTC buses across and the state from September 26 midnight to September 27 afternoon. The running DMK has appealed to the people, farmers and farmer workers and trade to take part in the proposed nationwide strike on September 27 by farmer union and urged its functionary as well as to make the Bharat Bandh a success in Tamil Nadu. Kerala ruling LDF has also called a statewide hurtal on 27 September to express solidarity with the farmers. This call was announced by LDF convener and CPIM acting secretary Vijaya Ghavan after the meeting of the leader of the ruling party alliance in the Thiruvananthapuram.
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir.
The 202nd anniversary of Pandit Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar was celebrated at various places in West Bardhaman district. The birth anniversary on Sunday, Asansol Municipality Chairman Amarnath Chatterjee led a worth at the statue of Vidyasagar near the Court Junction on behalf of Asansol Municipality. Former Municipal Councillor Babita Das, Alpana Banerjee, Bangla Academy member and other also present. Everyone pays homage to Vidyasagar.
Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800 258 7060.
Sample of COVID was found in the bodies of these children at Durgapur Anumandal Hospital amid the injection scandal. Meanwhile, the number of children suffering from respiratory fever is increasing, and that is why the concern is growing in the industrial city of Durgapur. The district health department is also forward to dealing with the situation. Coaching for Medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. West Bang Janani Vahini West Bardhaman District Committee held a meeting at Sitarampur Brahmanchari Palace of Kulti under Pandya meeting. During the meeting held under the leadership of Alpana Banerjee, District President of Paschim Bang Janani Vahini Paschim Bardhaman District Committee, and C.K. Resma, Executive President, District Executive President Reena Mukherjee, Kulti Block Vice President Rinku Karmakar, Anima, and a large number of women were present. Janani Vahini, West Bardhaman District. Challenge: 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with current agreement. Z NEET Motion Durgapur Study Center Motion Tower UCP 22 Bengal Ambuja City Center. Call us 94348 22278/890001 00080. Meeting of OBC Coal Employees Welfare Association was convened on Friday at Tilabani Colliery, Bankola, where the recommendation of the Mandal Commission were not implemented even after many years. Other issues were discussed and they were demanded to be implemented. Giving information, General Secretary of the association Paras Nath said that 28 years of the Mandal Commission passed by the constitutions are applicable.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Cyclone preparedness meeting was done today by Team Asansol Municipal Corporation along with SDO and OC. Disaster management following agenda point were discussed: electrical team, electric poles and meter through checking and coordinating with WBS EDCL, street lights repair, water supply team, water pumps management, drinking water supply management. WBSEDCL also informed sanitization team, hydrants cleaning being done, 3 branches trimming is being done, disaster relief team relief camp being identified and preparatory arrangement being made in required place, food arrangement for relief camps being coordinated, drinking water pouches reconstitutions to PHE being given, sufficient relief material supply to borrow, quick response team information, AMC 24/7 control room announcement from tomorrow, especially in wards having past history of water logging, building plan team identification of depleted building and shifting people from there if required, health team, medical and ambulance arrangement planned. Plan of action for vaccination on those days. District administrations traffic issues being coordinated with police. The borough wise team formation is done and all required repertory arrangement being undertaken.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
First annual chess competition organized by West Bardhaman Chess Association has been organized at Asansol Rabindra Bhavan. 40 boys and girls took part in the competition, which was held on Sunday morning. This is the first year of official inauguration of these chess leagues by lighting the lamp.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
General Manager Eastern Railway inspected Asansol Division. Asansol Sri Arun Arora, General Manager East Railway, accompanied by head of department from Kolkata. Sri Parmanand Sharma, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol and Branch Officer of Asansol Division. Today 25 September 2021, Asansol inspected the rear window trailing of Asansol Jasidi section of Mandal in Jasidi, and General Manager Eastern Railway has made the station circulating area.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Another one-day blood donation camp and entire ladies club was organized in Hindustan Park of the city. The camp was inaugurated by the Minister of State for Law and Public Work Malay Ghatak and Chairman of the Municipal Corporation Amarnath Chatterjee by jointly handing over certificate to the blood donors. Life can be saved the way home women and have participated in this blood donation camp today.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Procession was taken out from Domhani CPIM party office in Barabani block today, calling for closure of 8 trade unions on September 7. Observe the shutdown and a street rally to held at Domhani Heart Floor protest against the conspiracy to sell state-owned goods.
আর কতদিন তামাদারি করবে, দেশটাকে সর্বনাশ করবে। ইংরেজরা ছিল সর্বনাশ করে গেছে, আমাদের ভারতীয় কালা ইংরেজরা এরা আরো সর্বনাশ করে দিচ্ছে। সেদিন একটা কোম্পানি এসেছিল, স্টেডিয়া কোম্পানি, আজকে হাজার হাজার লাখ লাখ বেসরকারি কোম্পানি এসে করে ভারতটাকে চুষে খাচ্ছে এবং চুষে খেতে দেওয়ার সুযোগ করে দিয়েছে। সরকারের অর্থের প্রয়োজন, সরকার পরিচালনা করার জন্য অর্থের প্রয়োজন। অর্থ কিভাবে আসবে এটা ঠিক করে দিল আমাদের দেশের অর্থমন্ত্রী। বললো ট্যাক্স চাপিয়ে দাও পেট্রোল ডিজেলের উপর। 30 টাকা কেজি বিদেশ থেকে 30 টাকা লিটার আসছে, তো কি হয়েছে? এখানে চাপিয়ে দাও 33 টাকা ট্যাক্স। মোদি নেই 33 টাকা পেট্রোলের উপর, আর আমাদের রাজ্যের মমতাময়ী সরকার মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী 23 টাকা নেয়। ইনিও আমাদের কিছু ভালো করেননি, ইনিও বাস দিয়েছেন। বাস কতটা আমাদের এ তো বলা হয় না, উনি বলেন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী। যাই হোক,
কলকারখানা যেগুলো রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত ছিল সেগুলো বেসরকারীকরণ করা হয়েছে। আমাদের এলাকায় যেসব রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত সংস্থাগুলো ছিল তার যে জমি জায়গাগুলোর
জন্য আপনাদেরকে অনুরোধ করছি এবং এই বন্ধকে আপনারা সমর্থন করুন, সমর্থন করে আপনারা সাফল্যমণ্ডিত করে তুলুন। আর আজকের এই র্যালি সভাতে আমাদের সভাপতি করছেন কমরেড শ্যামলদা। এই প্রস্তাব আমি সমর্থন করছি। ক্ষেত্রে দিনমজুরদের লাঞ্ছনাতে না মোদী মমতা জবাব দাও,
জবাব দাও।
রাষ্ট্র সুরক্ষায় দিনমজুরদের আনতে হবে, অসংগঠিত শিল্প শ্রমিকদের রাষ্ট্রীয় সুরক্ষায় আনতে হবে। ইনকলাব জিন্দাবাদ। সকলকে রেশন কার্ড দিতে হবে, সকলকে ডিজিটাল রেশন কার্ড দিতে হবে। ডিজিটাল রেশন কার্ডের দাবিতে
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Sunday 200 BJP worker led by Bunty Chakraborty from Chandramari area of Ward number Manoj Paswan, President of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, in residential office of Mantri Malay Ghatak, said that as many development works have been done in North Assembly consequently under the leadership of Mantri Malay Ghatak.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
CPM and its organization took out a rally in support of Bharat Bandh on 27 September called by Sanjukta Kisan Morcha to repeal 3 Darochan Farm Law. It was led by Partha Mukherjee, former Mayor Tapos Roy and others. Hundreds of its supporters participated in it Asansol.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Now I am presenting SMS of News Moment. If you don't give up on something you truly believe in, you will find a way.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.